In this question, we're given that the distribution of cars in a given community is as follows. 50 families have no cars, 70 families have 1 car, 60 families have 2 cars, and 20 families have 3 cars. A family is randomly selected from the community. We define X as the number of cars owned by the selected family, and we're asked to construct the probability function of X. Well, the first thing that we need to know is what's the number of families in the community? What's the total number of families in the community? Well, let's just sum up these guys right here. 50 plus 70 plus 60 plus 20. Now, N is the total number of families in the community. Again, that's 50 plus 70 plus 60 plus 20, and that equals to 200. Now, the next thing that we need to figure out are what are the values of X. Now, remember, we defined X as the number of cars owned by the selected family. Well, we're given that here. No car, 1 car, 2 cars, and 3 cars.